going to show you this nice sleep mask with a Bluetooth headphones, which is built-in and relaxing sounds, and you can enjoy natural sound without connecting your Bluetooth to get a good sleep. And also has a full coverage and unique design of the nose area, as you can see here, and effectively block the light. And this 3D contour design allows you to move freely without pressure. Also, you can adjust for your size and also can work up to 12 hours and takes only 2 hours to charge. It is so easy to pair with your smartphone. It comes also with the portable bag with the charger, and you can carry with you anytime and anywhere. Also can be a really nice gift for your friends, for your family, for any kind of occasion. I do like the design, I do like the quality of this sleep mask, and I will highly recommend it to you. Thank you.